Hi all, let's have a new chapter. Let's see how children learn new words. Every language is learned through exposure, be it little babies, kids, or even elders learning a second language. Learning mother tongue is a natural process. Throughout the development of a child, they are alert about what's around them. They respond to sound and actions according to their exposure. They begin responding familiar sounds, and when they are appreciated for what they utter, they keep improving their vocabulary. Exposure and encouragement are key factors in every aspect of child development. When there are two languages used, children often get confused as to when and where to use the specific word. They don't have different language but focus on words and context. So make it simple and easy to learn. Stick to your normal style and way to talk to your child. It's better to correct our speech styles rather than confuse our little ones. Correcting them is a bit harder than learning new. When your child is ready with normal speech in their own style, we shall introduce new words. This plays best when your kid is at the age of 2 and above. When teaching them body parts, name of plants and animals or things around them, say your word audible and clear enough to take their attention. They needn't repeat or try with you. Simply say the word in an interesting way. You may make use of intonation, happy faces, actions, etc. After repeating it 5 to 6 times loud and slow, just give a brief meaning in simple words. If you are trying words, for example, the word umbrella, say the word step by step. Show an umbrella or at least the image. Break the word into syllables. Umbrella. Pronounce well. Take time. When you have captured their interest, get them in your circle and try to pronounce together. Leave the topic for the rest of the day. Children need time to process new information. Even though they grasp new things at a surprisingly fast rate, we needn't curb their interest by drilling knowledge every now and then. The way they pick new words is different for every child. Some grasp sooner while others take time. The joy of learning is when they are unaware that you are teaching them. If they didn't respond, leave it for a while. With time, you will get to know how and when to have your child into the world of words.